If we don't get the move, it's okay. I'm gonna sit here and be patient and wait to see if we start running this high above that's right here.
SPX more bullish.
Nah, because we kind of chopped up the whole night. Now we're chopping up and down again. Buy now. Get this entry.
As y'all see, I did already end up getting my entry. Man, it's just hard trying to teach and trade and vlog all at once. I'm trying to get better for y'all though. But hey, you see the entry. I'm about to get the markup going for y'all right after this. I really low-key even entered a little bit later than I actually wanted to, but
you guys can
like I said, I'm going to get better at vlogging for y'all. It's just that camera was distracting me.
You guys know.
But yup, as you can see, we just went ahead and put stop loss at entry. So at worst case, you know, we just come down and hit break even, ensuring that we take no L's on the day. But I'm definitely looking to close this trade right after we clear these highs above here, just to capitalize on these profits while I'm on vacation. And keep the winning streak going. Y'all know right after this trade, I'll be 3 for 3 on the week. I know y'all had to get in that one, bruh.
I know y'all gotta be up some bread. There's just no way. Oh, wow. I know y'all up some money. I know I am.
Yep. I'm gonna go ahead and...
Yep, me too.
Screenshot this for YouTube. Good 1,200. Good 1,200. Niggas just woke up with the crust out their eyes, boy. Making that bread quick. Now everybody making that bread. We got Marlon. Hold up. Let me see. Man, what? I said, I know y'all had to get in there. Hey, we got... All right, let me see what we talking about. We got Marlon up at the end. Hold up. Oh, I don't got my emojis on here. I got the blue heart. Fuck it. 2K from Reek. Up 1 point. Alright, Hayden. You know what I'm saying? Kindergarten can learn this PA on, bro. I say, yeah, this is like the good retracement right here on, bro. Ian, 1.2. You know what I'm saying? Timberlake, 1.3. You feel me? Eli? Oh, yeah, Eli been going crazy. 2.5 and counting. KJ, 600. Marley. Okay, we got a new member making that new money. You feel me? 270. Anderson. Recovered from the quick loss. Alright, that's valid too. We got Diddy. Yeah.
Diddy.
All right, Diddy. I see you, nigga.
Why you say it like that?
Yeah, I see you, Diddy. We got Cam up a band. Oh, he said peep. All right, let me really open this shit, Diddy. Okay, 1,300. Good shit, Diddy. Okay, Marley, never mind. 1.2K. Yeah, yes, sir. Well, not yes, sir. You know what I'm saying, though? Siren, you know what I'm saying? 1.5, 1.2. Yes, sir. Chase. Diego up 250. JP. Oh yeah, let me see my boy JP. 14, 15. You know what I'm saying? 1.2 on the. Yeah, I was about to say. I know y'all got in. I ain't gonna lie. I should have really held, but man, I feel a little discombobulated. I ain't gonna cap. Niggas just open their eyes and just making this bread like nothing. 1.5K now. Taking profit at 2K. Okay, Diddy. Yeah, Diddy. Alright, Diddy. Let me see what you're talking about, Diddy. It's like, nah, I'm getting a little too excited over Diddy right now. No Diddy.
Oh, wow. Smack the TV screen, too.
700 from KJ. It's good to see Brandon in the morning. Yeah, I need to tap in the... I just be in there chatting, but I need to really just join up. J Gup closed out at 60. Man, oh man, it's just like an instinct, bro. We both sitting here, I'm looking at my iPad, this nigga looking at the computer. I said it under my breath at the slightest. He was already saying, oh yeah, it might be bullish. I said, yeah, I agree. This might be the retracement right here. Bye. Smack. Everybody up that cheese.
Damn, it's just still.
Bro, I should have held that bitch. I'll be up. Man, hey, some of y'all made more than me. I mean, my quick, what am I saying? My quick 1,200, close that shit quick. That shit's still going. Up 1.5K from J Peso. We on live tomorrow too. Shit, while I'm here, shit, damn near. Hey, shit. Close, screen recorded it too. That's a bet. We got 50 up, 3,700. Limitless, 1,200. Man, y'all going crazy. I mean, this trade going, look, God damn, this shit about to hit TP5.
It's still fucking going, yeah.
Whew. Man. I ain't gonna lie. I'm over here recording this YouTube video. Y'all see, I'm not trying to make this shit look super easy and all, but I mean, came here, we sat down, looked at the charts for a couple minutes, said, all right, let's buy NAS, and we're making money. I don't know what else to say. I mean, is that not what just, like, unless I'm wrong about something right now. Shit. Nah, I ain't gonna count. Let me see that text you just got from your little brother. Mind y'all, hey, junior in high school. What'd he say? Screenshot it for me, because I'm gonna need to add that on top of the vid. Let me see. I know y'all can't see too well, but plus 700. I'm gonna add the screenshot on here. Look, my nigga's a junior in high school. Just made 700 real quick. Hey, if you still bullshitting with, you see the behind the scenes right here, right now. Niggas just woke up, looked at the charts, said, hey, everybody, let's buy. Made that bread. His little brother's in this session too, making that bread. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't never met 700 like that quick while I was in class in high school. So shit, I don't know what to tell y'all, bro. Y'all see the day in the life shit. It's too consistent for y'all to still be bullshitting like this. I ain't gonna lie. After that trade sesh, you feel me? I'm gonna come on here with my students and make sure everyone understands. You know, we all made money, cool. But I want, the goal with our students is I want them to always be independent, right? I want them to really learn the skills so they can go out and be able to do it on their own and not always have to rely on me, always have to rely on JP, right? So I'm gonna go in here, start up a private coaching call with my students, really just break down today's trade, break down yesterday's trade, and then open up the floor, see if they got any questions. So let's get it. So boom, as of 9:30, right? Let me move this. Well, hold up, which one is that? Yeah, so that's the high from yesterday. So actually I'm not gonna move that. So boom, right here, pre-New York, so 9:08, we swept this high. Now we sat here for a couple minutes, and right here at 9:30, oh nah, so this is our 9:30 reaction, right? So boom, the reaction we got off this open, we dropped about cool 100 points, right? After the retracement though, y'all know, we normally looking for the liquidity, you know what I'm saying? Looking to see which side liquidity is going to sweep on, boom, boom, boom. And as the retracement hit, right, you see how it got right up into this, but it failed to deliver. Boom. Got right up into this, but it failed to deliver. So I'm already knowing, like, okay, price looked like it definitely wanted to sweep this high. You know, we just swept the highs from yesterday, right? So we probably want to keep going. You feel me? Probably want to keep going short-term wise, obviously. But failed to deliver. So I'm thinking, all right, price clearly overnight has been bullish, right? This pre-New York, we even just swept the high from yesterday. So I'm thinking, at least on the short term, right? Not for the home run hit of the day, clearly. Obviously, it tanked for the actual day. But I'm not here, I'm in and out. 3, 4, 5, 10, 15 minutes max. So this might have been the move of the day for real. But personally, y'all know I'm not really holding trades too long like that. So I'm seeing what I'm getting. I'm just reacting off the New York reaction, right? I'm seeing what price is giving me, reacting off of that. So we failed to sweep these highs right here. Immediately, like I said, I'm knowing we're still should be at least short-term bullish. So go ahead and take my fib from this low up to this high, expecting that it's going to make a retracement. And then boom, instead of the first time, we tried to sweep the highs, but we failed to deliver. Now, the second time on the healthy retracement, y'all know this is a very healthy retracement right here to the OTE, optimal trade entry. So we made a great 70%, we failed to deliver, but then boom, we got the correction move down here, 70% Fibonacci retracement. Obviously, y'all know on top of that, right? Boom. Pretty wide gap, but that's why we use the Fibonacci as well to overlap with them. So boom, we got a 1 minute fair value gap right here. Hold up,
Bro, you got a video on how to use the Fibonacci?
I got it all, my boy.
Okay, I'm about to find that then. All right.
I'm gonna get you right for sure, cause it's the same. You gonna catch me looking at the same couple things. First, just spotting liquidity on the buy side, sell side, seeing our targets, right? If we're gonna go up for the day, where are we targeting? If we're gonna go down for the day, where are we targeting? So that's one of the first things, obviously in confluence with my bias. So like I said, I already was looking at the overnight, thinking, okay, boom, we was pretty consolidated. We wasn't just flying up overnight, but we was slowly, gradually making our way up, right? So we had some, it was some bullish movements overnight. Not only that, boom, pre-New York, swept the highs from yesterday. So, you know, sometimes we might sweep the high, retrace a little bit, and then keep making more all-time highs, right? So just two things, right? The bias that led me into thinking bullish. And then not only that, I ain't gonna lie, I don't even know what I was just saying, my fault. But boom. So yeah, on top of that, right? I'm knowing I want to go higher. Oh yeah, I was telling y'all basically the same couple things I'm looking at, right? Just boom, the bias and then spotting the liquidity, basically understanding my targets on each side, buy side and sell side. And then boom, at that point, just reacting to what price is giving me, waiting for like an impulse move or something, which is this right here, right? 9:30. We made like I said, we dropped 100 points in what, 3-4 minutes. Pretty impulse move to me, right? So just reacting off what we get, understanding that I already had that bullish bias, understanding that I already had the target up here. That's just three things. Boom. Now to spot the entry, these are my favorite couple things right here. So my boy who asked about the fib, right? Same couple concepts. I'm either going those three I just told you to understand my bias and things like that. But then as far as entry point, it's another three things. It's either going to be the fair value gap, it's either going to be the order block, or it's either going to be the Fibonacci retracement. Now what we want to see is all three of them together. Now that's when it's A plus. But we want to see at least two of them stack up together, which we got right here. So we got the fair value gap. And just for anyone who, you know what I'm saying, don't understand that the best right now, basically we want to look at it like this, right? The charts is always going to go up, down, up, down. You know, we've seen shit like that since like a kid, just looking at stock charts. And we, you know what I'm saying? We all know it's like kind of like a up, down, like a staircase, right? So when price makes a big move, right, you're going to hear me talk about these impulse moves a lot, because when they give us these impulse moves, it's up to us to detect what that's telling us, right? Reading price action. That's why, you know, we don't really use indicators and stuff like that. We're really reading what price is giving us and reacting off of that. So when I see a large move like this, take my ruler, boom, from this low up into this high. On this 1 minute, right here, that's a 60-point candle. You know what I'm saying? What did that 60-point candle do? It left this gap. We didn't get the regular. This is how I look at the fair value gaps. We didn't just go up, down, up, down, up, down like regular charts, right? On this one, up, down, up. And then you feel me? That big up, that gap that we left right there, that's our fair value gap, right? The value gap is we look at the previous candle and we look at the next candle. So we got the impulse move, right? We see the gap. But here's how we break it down. So the previous candle before this, we see the wicks, the top of this wick right here. So that's the bottom of our gap right here, the top of this wick. And then we look at the next candle. We look at the bottom of this wick, right? Because normally, like I said, it's supposed to go up, down, and it's supposed to fill in, it's supposed to fill in the gaps. When it just has an impulse move like this, and then the next candle comes in and only retraces just a little bit and keeps going. All right, so that's our fair value gap. Boom. So I already just showed y'all the three things that led to my bias and wanting to get into the buy. And then, like I said, there's three things I normally look for when it comes to entry point. I didn't get an order block today, but I got the fair value gap, which I just showed you. And on top of that, my favorite thing is that OTE Fibonacci retracement stacked right on top of the fair value gap. My favorite tool, the Fibonacci right here, taking it from this low to this high. Now, if anybody doesn't even understand what a Fibonacci is, it's honestly just giving us it's just percentages, right? It's just giving us, okay, price started, it's the guesswork, right? So we got this low here. We got this high here. I know if price is going to continue to deliver higher, it's most likely going to give me a 70% retracement, right? I don't want to, how am I going to look at the charts and know what 70%, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to have to eyeball it. I don't want to have to guess. I don't want to have to assume none of that, right? So I take it from this low to this high, and boom. Got my Fibonacci right here as the OTE. This is the optimal trade entry, right? 70% level. So, oh shit. So yeah, when I have the gap, and then when I have the retracement right into where I'm looking at, boom. And no questions asked at that point. Go ahead and pop that entry. Now, there's two places y'all can put the stop loss. Boom. I would say on this position right here, you can put it at the low of the actual bodies of the candle. Or if you want to be a little bit more conservative, put it all the way down to this low here. Now, you be risking, about 27 points. But as long as the risk reward is there, You know, it doesn't really matter how many points you're risking as long as you have a good reward as well. So even if you were just targeting, you know, back up into these highs, which we, you know, like we said, this is what even led me to believing that price will be delivering higher, which is the fact that we got so close to this high right here, but we didn't sweep it. So you could even make that high our target. Got Ace in the building. Make that high your target, right? If you want to. Obviously, there's plenty more potential. Y'all seen even, I don't know if y'all was paying attention to me in the background or hey on the vlog, they gonna see, right? I closed my position pretty quick to my 1200. I'm not Jay. It's been a good month already for me so far. So, you know, definitely could have extended this out with the potential of even like a 1 to 6. But like I told y'all, right? I'm not looking for perfection every morning. I'm looking to take a good low risk, high reward setup, and more than that, a high probable setup, right? I want to know that the setups I'm taking is 80% chance I'm a win or better. I'm not, you know, I don't like that guessing shit. So boom, I know that this is something I can bank on and I can rely on, right? Whether I put my stops all the way at this low, oh shit, just to secure myself and be more conservative, or whether I put it to the low right here so I can, you know, crack it down a little bit and get a better risk reward. You know what I'm saying? Only risking about 15 points now when you look at it like this. So boom, just targeting these highs, not looking for some type of fairy tale perfect exit. Like I'm just, you feel me? I'm not about to sit here and say, oh yeah, nah. You feel me? You had the potential to bring it all the way up there, but I like to keep it realistic and show y'all what I really would do or what I actually did do. Today I actually did take the trade, exited around here, boom, all I need. So that's really that, right? We had, you know, I showed y'all what led into the bias, boom, showed y'all what led me to the entry point, boom. At the matter of that, and now it's just about trusting myself, trusting my strategy, trusting my plan, boom, executing this buy right here, taking these profits, done for the day, boom. Whew. All right, y'all, just finished, it's 12:20. Whew, got the whole recording, man. Just sat on a session with my students for about an hour, almost about an hour and a half. I see everybody who was just in there, right? Everybody just left out, but whew, JP came through, came clutch with the steak and eggs, you know what I'm saying? And boom. I don't even know what I'm about to say, but just hopped off that session. Good session. Everybody done made some profits and learned something new. Now I'm about to eat this food. And hey, you feel me? See what else we got going for the day. Hey, y'all see what it is, man. I'm decent with picking up the camera and updating y'all, but I realized in yesterday's vlog, all I really showed y'all was us trading, us eating, and then us going to dinner and eating again. So, you know what I'm saying? I want to really show y'all the real deal behind the scenes, right? Creating this video right here. You know what I'm saying? Really just going through a lot of the struggles that I know y'all have as beginners. Just, you know, making a video right here, basically just trying to debunk that, right? You know, you used to over leveraging, you used to over trading, boom, boom, boom. Just want to give y'all some content on, feel me, how we can fix that up. So we sitting here right now, but just finished up that video for y'all, and I have no idea what we're gonna be doing next. So like I said, I'm gonna be making sure to update y'all a little bit better than how yesterday's vlog was, for sure. All right, y'all. What the last thing I showed y'all, what I was, you know what I'm saying, private coaching call, helping the students and shit like that. Besides that, just getting some content in, you know what I'm saying? You feel me? Y'all gonna see all the content. But now, it's crazy because just making some content, now we headed to go make some more content. But you know what I'm saying? We got a studio session booked out, you know what I'm saying? We got that real deal official shit booked out. So y'all gonna see the growth, man. Y'all seen me vlogging off this camera. You know what I'm saying? Y'all seen the growth. And y'all gonna continue to see the growth, right? You're gonna see the quality get better. You're gonna see everything start to get better real soon, man. Because we're starting to focus up on this for y'all and really, you know what I'm saying? Put the funded blueprint on the map, you know what I'm saying? So, shit, we just wanna be the mentors that we wish we had in the beginning. So we're gonna come through and make sure we give y'all quality work, give y'all some quality, you feel me, knowledge, so I can get some quality success. But I'll let y'all know whenever we get there. Alright, thought we were going to the shoot, y'all, but
Where are we going there?
We're gonna get this food.
Yeah, this nigga said he was starting for the
Look,
border.
look at my chain. Every time I get out, bro, that shit flips.
That is bad.
Nah, that's not bad. I mean, your shit low. Low riding. Ain't no vet whipper. Yeah, nigga, when you whip with clearing, nigga, when you got infinite money, you don't care about shit, right? He's parking in a place where he know he can get towed, but he got infinite money. He's funded. It don't matter. Oh, yeah, good. All right. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. They said something about this duck. I don't even really remember, but I know I don't eat duck on a regular basis. So I say, you know what? I'm gonna try it. Got the duck. I don't even know what else is on the plate. You know what I'm saying? Boys eating good. Let y'all know how it was. Man, oh man, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. What's this place called? Ooh, let me tell y'all something. I will not be back here. I will not be back here. That duck and rice and mushroom and whatever mix, yeah, that shit was buns. I'm gonna be real. But y'all know it wasn't as buns as that Korean barbecue he brought me to the other day. So yeah, the Korean barbecue was still worse.
That shit was still worse?
Yeah, that shit was still worse. Let me just click the setting that like, automatically does it for you. Oh, they look nice.
This is a lounge area, but I have the podcast studio set up in here.
All the equipment. All right. That's nice for sure.
You said go to what? TikTok what?
Like it's in the setting before.
Oh, what you going down?
Yeah, this shit crazy. Y'all know, hey, we about to get active. We about to get to it. Oh no, I need this for tomorrow morning. When we trade. All right, y'all. Hey, it's 11:30. You know what I'm saying? Your boys been getting in that work, right? Like I told y'all, we finna level up the quality for y'all. So yeah, shout out to my guy, man.
What's up, brother?
Getting us right over here.
Yeah.
Instagram's gonna be right here, so y'all know if you need anything real deal quality, production wise, best in the DMV right here.
Thank you, brother. Appreciate it.
Y'all need to tap in for sure.
Appreciate it.
We got Mo back here work. Oh, yeah, we got Mo back here working. I ain't even gonna disturb his, you know what I'm saying, his workflow. But y'all saw the studio already, man. Just getting some shit done. Oh, niggas was in there for so long, focused up so much. My brain, we don't even know how to get back to the car.
Yeah, I genuinely don't though, cause like all I see is lobby.
You know what I'm saying? White socks. They got the white socks on in them motherfucker though. But man, oh man. But this is why y'all need to lock in. Hey, I gave y'all the breakdown on the trade we took this morning. This is why y'all need to lock in, man. So, hey, y'all watching this vlog for a reason. Feel me? You want to go out and explore. You want to go out and do some random shit on random days. And I'm banking on. I'm voting. Not voting. Shit. Hey, I'm rooting for you. You feel me? Live whatever lifestyle you want to live, but first things first, you gotta make that money, right? So hop on them charts, lock in, and boom. I don't even know what I'm saying, bro. I'm just yapping right now, bro. I'm just happy we're done.
Man, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, you did have to fly here for that. I ain't gonna lie. Cause that quality looks so good. I can only imagine what that's just gonna look like when it's done.
Man, hey. Y'all, like I said, y'all gonna see the growth over these next couple months, next couple years if y'all really stay tapped in with us. Which I know you will. Well, we tried to get back down to the car, ended up accidentally getting off the elevator on the ground level, and now we don't even know how to get into the garage. Ah, man, oh man, and I'm starving. Damn, that nigga's getting gapped by a G. Gapped by a G.